Hey there! Ever wondered how some investors seem to have a magic touch? Well, it's not magic, it's strategy. Today, I'm going to reveal some stock market secrets that can help you get ahead. First up, let's talk about understanding the fundamentals. Before you even think about buying a stock, you need to dive deep into the company's financial health. Look at their earnings reports, revenue growth, and profit margins. If a company consistently shows strong financials, it's a good sign they're doing something right. Next, diversify. You've heard this a million times, but it's crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different sectors, you reduce your risk. If one sector takes a hit, your entire portfolio won't crumble. Now let's talk about timing the market. No one can predict the stock market perfectly, but you can look for trends. Pay attention to market cycles and economic indicators. When the market is low, that's your opportunity to buy quality stocks at a discount. And when it's high, consider taking some profits off the table. Another key secret? Stay informed. The stock market is influenced by countless factors: political events, economic data, and even natural disasters. Subscribe to financial news, follow expert analysts, and keep an eye on global affairs. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. Let's not forget the power of patience. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about long-term growth. Companies take time to grow and reach their full potential. Don't panic at the first sign of a dip. Often, the best gains come to those who wait. Finally, consider using stop-loss orders. This is a preset order to sell a stock once it reaches a certain price. It's a safety net to protect your investments from significant losses. It's like having an insurance policy on your portfolio. So, there you have it. The secrets to stock market success aren't really secrets at all. They're strategies you can start using today. Remember, do your research, diversify, stay informed, be patient, and protect your investments. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on investing. Catch you next time.